Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to What the Buck Cards. I haven't did this in a while. Been kind of busy or just, not feeling up to it. So tonight we're going to be opening up some 1990 Upper Deck Series 1 editions. We're looking for, Bo Jackson, Deion Sanders rookie.
Anything.
Just, anything, anything good. So let's start this off with the first pack right here. Hopefully, these are easy to open, y'all. We got a Jimmy Key, Jesse Barfield, Kevin Bass. Let me stop and ask you guys, did y'all watch that Braves game last night? It was a good one. It was a good one, y'all. Otis Nixon, Randy Kramer. Here we go. The cards are all mishapped right here. Chris Gwynn, David Wells, Cleveland Indian Joe Carter, Greg Litton, a Bobby Witt, Tom Brookins, shoot, man, Mitch Webster, and got one of these little stickers my uncle likes. This Milwaukee Brewers right there. Alan Anderson, Henry Cotto, and Steve Cersei, sorry. Oh, no bow or nothing out of that one, guys. Let's go to this next pack. Oh, I think we got 16 packs, so. Dave Steve. Let me get these things situated so I can just go through them. Don't know the word. Willie Wilson, Junior Ortiz, Luis Riviera, John Castello.
Upside down, man.
Yep. Don August, David Cone, Dennis Eckersley, Chris Gwynn, Oakland A's. I want one of those in the Braves.
I got one.
I have one. Trevor Wilson, Kelly Downs, Don Swap, Ron Oyster. How you say Oyster?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like Barry Barnes right there. Let's see. Nope. Kevin Mitchell and Kurt Young. Oops, sorry. Still nothing good yet. Dickie Thon, Vaughn Hayes, Otis Nixon. I think Otis Nixon.
That's Otis Nixon in his Expo uniform.
Andres Galarraga, Jesse Orsko, Billy Hatcher, Mike Galliago.
Cooking cards.
Yeah, they look good. Upper Deck always make good cards, though. I like them better than Tops.
Betting clubs are the best.
Joe McGrain, Tony Fernandez, Paul O'Neill, Gary, what's that, Maliki, something like that.
I can't see that.
Checklist, David Wells, a Vaughn Hayes. We don't like Philly, y'all. And Greg Kaderick. Yep, Kaderick. Let's say that.
I don't know.
I guess that's our time limit.
Mm-hmm.
Shane Rowley, Kent Harvick, I guess that. Ernie Riles, Ruben Sierra, Eric Show. What's that, Blue Jays again? I don't know what that one is. I can't see it. Indians. Bob Nepper. Sean Dunston. a Dave Magadan or something like that. Devon White. Jeff McKnight. Pete Smith. Do you remember him? Yeah, the Braves, yeah. Joey Cora. Whoop, sorry, y'all. Somebody in the Expos. Who's that? Tim Raines. Luis Salazar. And a Franklin Stubbs. Oh, Stubby. Then we got a Craig Worthington, Mel Hall, Israel Sanchez, Kurt Stillwell, Luis Quinones or something like that. Another Luis Quinones, something back to back. That looks like Ozzie Smith right there.
The Wizard of Oz.
We like Ozzie. Bill Spires. What we got here? Braves? Nope. Angels.
Yep.
Mark Carrion. Sorry. And we got my favorite player, King Griffey Jr.
Oh, wow.
You know what I'm saying?
In Seattle.
The Seattle Mariners. Steve Bedrosian, something like that. I can't pronounce it. I'm sorry, guys. Floyd Bannister. Scott Service. I'll get you some service from Scott. How about that? Benito Santiago. And Nolan Ryan. Y'all see old Nolan right there? We got that one card, don't we? He don't go on top of Griffey.
These are the cards you're looking at. They're already open for you.
Oh, shoot. These are there? Okay.
Mm-hmm. Make it easier for you.
Todd Worrell. Mookie Wilson. Mike McFarland. Israel Sanchez. Greg Brock. I thought that was that dude from Major League, Wild Thing.
Mm.
That's what it looks like a little bit. John Farrell. Frank DePino. Mike Schooler. I'll show it to y'all. Let me pull that off. Yankees.
Boom.
Mike Schooler. Wally Backman. Marty Barrett. Dave Schmidt. John Orton. Tony Armas. Some more Scott Service. And Jim Corsi. I thought it was a Jose for a second there. Carlos Quintana. Dave Righetti. Danny Darwin. Frank White. Frank Tanner. Rod Nichols. Chris Carpenter. Kelly Mann. Let me just do this. Make my life easier. Kelly Mann. Mike Kruko. Lance Parrish. John Olrud. Mark Carrion. Can I have this one? Look. Another King Griffey Jr.
Another Griffey for you.
That's another sticker, but it's not the Braves, it's the Cardinals. Did that come out of that one? Jose Rizzo and Bob Ojeda. That's his second year card.
Mm-hmm.
Frank Williams.
Open them up for you when it makes it a little easier.
Kevin Mitchell again. Sammy Sosa rookie card. It's a Sammy Sosa rookie. Before he was, come on. Dan Petrie. Excuse me, y'all. Pete Harnish. Rick Honeycutt. Mike Lacoste. Ron Gant. Rick Mahler. Jose Orozco or something. Billy Hatcher. None of these are upside down. Bobby Bonilla. Junior Ortiz. Nick Eske. Dave Clark. Let's go on to the next one. Got 2 Griffies out of that thing.
Them there's up front.
These 2?
Nope, I ain't done that.
Alright, my bad, y'all. We got a Glenn Braggs. Dave Martinez. John Tudor. Jim Rice. Willie McGee. Randy Myers. Greg Maddox, but he's in the Cubs uniform. Ozzie. Curtis Wilkerson. Rafael Ramirez. Eric Plunk. Mickey Weston. Kevin Blankenship. Another King Griffey Jr. and Edgar Martinez. That is the Griffey we just got. That's got to be, I know that's Griffey, right? Yeah, Griffey. Where you want this one at, book right here?
Right there.
Do you already know that was in there? Huh?
Yeah, that's what I ain't looking at. I'm just strapping them up.
Sean Abner, Jody Reed, Pat Borders, Julio Machado, Eric Anthony, Junior Felix, Mike Lacoste, Jack McDowell, Miguel Garcia, Timmy Jones, Andres Thomas, Mickey Hatcher, Bud Black, and Mike Jackson. I didn't know Mike Jackson played baseball.
I didn't either. It's like Kenny Rogers played it.
Dave Martinez, Oil Can Boyd.
Oh,
what? Is that his real name?
Yes, it is.
Ain't no way, what? Scott Fletcher, John Smiley, Chuck Krim, Robin Yount, Doug DeCenzo, Kevin Hickey, Paul O'Neill, Tony Fernandez, Bob Melvin, Dick Schofield, Mike Stanton, Chili Davis, and Guillermo something Hernandez. I don't know that guy's way. Joey Bell, Pat Schrader, Don Paul, Kevin Seitzer or something, Rich Yett, Deion James, Vince Coleman, Eric Hansen, Tim Burstos or something like that, Tony Phillips, Atlee Hammaker, Wally Joyner, Tino Martinez, Marvell Wynn, Walt West. Lonnie Smith, Jim Clancy, Larry Walker, Gus Polidor, Mike Heath, Scott Bradley, Tom Glavine, Tim Burke, Gary Sheffield, Rick Leach, Nelson Lorano, Eric Hetzel, Roger Clemens. So it's like a Nolan Ryan 5,000 strikeouts card. Steve Rosenberg. No one got a Nolan Ryan? Which one is that? Oh, no hitter. I thought that was Kevin Gross, Luis Riviera, Ed Whitson, Gary Pettis, Dennis Eckersley, Mark Parent, Terry Poole, another Greg Maddox, BJ Sheriff, Rance Mullikins, Terry Leach, John Dobson, George Canal. Who's that? Mark McGuire. And a Charles Hudson. No, we got one. Rob Murphy, Chip Hale, something, Sean Abner, Ernie Wiles, Charles Hudson, Ricky Jordan, Raphael Belliard, Rick Mahler, Burt Bevelin, Tim Raines, Chris Hammond, Greg Matthews, Bob Mililaki, John Franco, and Don Slott. This is the last pack right here, guys. We got a Lance Blankenship, R.J. Reynolds, Bobby Bonilla, Scott Sanderson, Kent Anderson, George W. Harris, Don Slott, John Franco, Omar Vizquel, Jim DeShays, Herm Winningham, Andy McGaffigan, Tom Gordon, Tom Candotti, Jimmy Key, and a Dave Smith. Now, we got this thing, you know, once we get to what, how many? What was 50. It? 50 subscribers. We're giving away this 2022 Topps Chrome number 50 Mike Trout. It's a 9.5 graded Topps Chrome. Y'all see it? It's a 9.5. Once we get to 50 subscribers, it's 233 out of 250. Y'all see it? Once we hit 50 subscribers, we'll pick one of our subscribers and give it away. So,
and remember to tell them what we open.
So, and I think we're going to be opening some of these. When we're going to open these? When do you want to open? Thursday. So, because we open anything, not just sports cards. And remember, 50 subscribers, man. Mike Trout, 9.5. 2022 Topps Chrome, 233 out of 250.
Give away 100.
And at 100, we're going to give away this 2022 Topps Chrome Shohei Ohtani.
Or this one.
Or this Fernando Tatis Jr. Once we hit 100 subscribers. Till one of our subscribers will get it. This is 100 subscribers. That's 100 subscribers. Whichever one, man. We might just give them both away. Yep. So, y'all subscribe and like the video and comment, you know, and let us know you subscribed. If you're new, just say, hey, I subscribed, and we're going to write down all the subscribers' name. I guess we'll put them in a little hat, mix them up, and then just, you know, shoot, give them away. We'll mail them to you. Are we paying the shipping? Are we going to pay for everything? We're going to pay for everything. So, there's that. We did get some good cards tonight. Let me show y'all again. We got this Nolan Ryan. 2 Nolan Ryans. We got 2 of these Griffies. And this Griffey. So, we did get some alright cards tonight. So, thanks for watching. And y'all have a great night.